Welcome! In this lecture, I'm going to show you some tips and tools to use Photoshop efficiently. Let's start by looking at the Title tab. As you can see, it says Untitled 1, which is the name of our document which is not saved yet. Next to the document name, we have the zoom level, which in our case, it's 50%. Then, in parentheses, we can see the layer's name, which is Layer 1. Next to the layer name, we have the color mode and bit depth, which in our case, it's RGB in 8 bits. Now notice if I change the layer's name by double-clicking on its name inside the Layers panel, you can see it instantly updates in the Title tab. Also, if I zoom in by pressing Ctrl+, you can see the zoom level also changes. But if you want to zoom out, all you have to do is to press Ctrl-. You can also zoom in by holding down Ctrl+ spacebar and then clicking inside the image. And to zoom out, we can hold down Alt+ spacebar and then click on the image to zoom out. Now if you want to zoom in or out to see the entire image and fit it on screen, then go ahead and press Ctrl+0. And that will fit the image on screen. Another option is to zoom in to 100%, and we can do it by pressing Ctrl+1. As you can see, we have our image zoomed into 100%. Now let's say you want to scroll up and down in order to see other portions of the image. To do that, press and hold the spacebar, which gives you temporary access to Hand tool, as you can see in here. And then, just drag that image around. And then you can release the spacebar to cancel the Hand tool. Next, I want to show you how to switch between opened images. As you can see, I have many images opened as indicated by these title tabs. So I can switch to each one of them either by clicking on them or simply by pressing Ctrl Tab. Also, I can arrange the tabs and view them as I want. So to do that, go up to the window menu, then choose Arrange, then choose any one of these options that you want, such as to up vertical. And now as you can see, we have two images arranged side by side, which makes it easier to work in some cases. And if we want to restore them to their previous position, we go to the window menu and then choose Arrange, and then choose Consolidate All to Tabs. And that will restore any arrangements we have done before. To wrap it up, we can zoom in by pressing Ctrl+ or Ctrl+ spacebar and then left clicking. To zoom out, press Ctrl- or press Alt+ spacebar and then left click. Use Ctrl+0 to fit the image on screen and Ctrl+1 to zoom into 100%. And finally, we can drag the image up and down by pressing and holding down the spacebar to temporarily access the Hand tool. And that was a few tips and tools to navigate inside Photoshop easily. See you in the next lecture.